I want to share my thoughts on Master Affiliate Profits. I think it can help you become a smart affiliate marketer. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or trying to grow your business. Master Affiliate Profits has the tools, training, and support to guide you. Here's the exciting part. Master Affiliate Profits is now open to everyone for free. You can join and start exploring right away. This is a new chance for anyone ready to grow their affiliate marketing business. The training covers everything from basics to advanced stuff. You'll learn about social media, email, list building, and more. You'll also get coaching and a community to help you succeed. One thing I really like is how Master Affiliate Profits goes deep. Many programs charge high fees but only teach a little. Master Affiliate Profits bundles everything together. It's like an all-in-one toolkit to build a successful affiliate business. It covers everything you need, from basics to advanced stuff. It's designed to help you succeed long-term. Here's a tip I've learned. Not all affiliate programs are the same. Many people promote cheap $10 gadgets hoping for quick cash. But the commissions are so small you need a huge audience to make money. Even thousands of clicks might only pay a few bucks. That's not the best way to grow. Instead, focus on products with higher commissions. Just a few sales can give great results without a big audience. Master Affiliate Profits teaches you how to find these opportunities and use them to build a business. It's about working smarter, not harder. Staying connected with your audience is key too. If someone buys once but never hears from you again, you miss future chances. Building relationships is where the magic happens. Email, social media, private groups, communication keeps people engaged and buying again. Master Affiliate Profits provides the tools and training to do this effectively. Even more exciting is the support for recurring income. Platinum members get access to subscription products. That means you can earn monthly commissions from a single sale. It creates steady income that grows over time. Add in built-in traffic for Platinum members, and you've got a powerful system to succeed faster. Master Affiliate Profits isn't just training. It's a complete ecosystem. You get funnels, promotions, and multi-funnel strategies. These tools maximize earnings and reduce guesswork. Whether you want recurring commissions, high-ticket sales, or multiple streams, Master Affiliate Profits has you covered. Bottom line, Master Affiliate Profits is more than just a program. It's a system to grow, earn, and succeed. If you're new or want to improve, this is your chance to build wealth and a business. I'm here to support you, so don't wait. Jump in and see how it can transform your journey. Make sure you check out the link in my description and grab my free report.